morning, guys. Good morning. All right, so it's another great matter of fact. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. But yeah, it's a really nice morning here. Today the seas sound a little bit rougher. I can actually hear them somewhere off in the distance there. I think I'll take you guys to the beach today and also to the pool. I did promise you guys that. Yeah, just a little rundown of the place. Really nice place, really comfortable, really relaxing. It's like a little jungle, man. Like, that's just inside this space, which I really like and appreciate. I remember I know persons always ask about bugs wherever I travel, whether it's going camping or to any natural place, and yeah, you're gonna find maybe a bug or two, in your room, because you're basically inside of an ecosystem. So whatever crawls in is gonna crawl in. So just be mindful of that, but I don't think it's nothing to really complain about, because that is the concept that they have here. But anyway, I'm about to go brush my teeth. Yeah, I know my bag is really ghetto. But Sarah, good morning.
Morning.
You can't talk no, because before you break most of this smell bad. Teeth brush and everything?
No, sir. I'm gonna tell you, Steve will look good here.
Me?
Mouth is freshly clean, all that good stuff. Face wash.
What's the bathroom experience like? Like, what are you experiencing since you've been here? Oh, great. I'm so happy. Yes, so I am traveling with females. So let's talk about, like, the open concept of the room, because the room has how many entry points? Like four.
That's four.
And as you guys can realize, there is no,
so that's just it.
It's just open. Floor part is open. We're lucky that we haven't seen any crabs in the room, because there are crabs. It's a part of the ecosystem here. But yeah, how do you feel?
Actually feel good. For me personally, I like the rustic feel and everything. The bathroom is really cool. They're actually in there cleaning, so they still do the whole sanitizing, because of COVID and stuff. So they're doing their part to make sure that we're safe, COVID free. So it's cool. I feel like the water though is like river water from the pipe, which is also nice. Or pump water, it don't matter. But just look around, like, I'm enjoying myself. It's really chill. So if you want to come here, just relax, have a little calm time with your friends or your partner, best place to be.
Vibes.
Yeah.
All right, so let's answer the question that you guys might be wondering or want to ask, and why am I brushing my teeth outside? So the room that we have booked, that is the Kaya room, and with the Kaya room you have to use shared facilities, which I appreciate, because this is an outdoor face basin that's kind of like a leaf. You feel like you're one with nature. There's the birds close by, stuff like that. It's really cool. The showering facilities that you actually will share, it's like a unisex shower system, so male, female can use the same showers, but then the toilet areas, those are separated between the female and the male sections. But that's only because it is the Kaya room. However, if you decide to book the more upscale rooms, they will have their own facilities where you don't have to share. But for me, it's not really a big deal, right? All right, so we are here for breakfast again.
Morning, guys.
Hello, my people. We're here.
Good morning.
We're still in the African tribe, so we're going to eat some
Vibes. Hello. Is it possible for me to order extra dumplings?
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, man, come I love them. Breakfast again.
Enjoy. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. So we see some other persons having some, what do you call it again, margarita. So we said, why not have some margarita too, huh?
Yeah.
Here we go.
I'm so excited.
All right, so yeah, I'm a lightweight, guys. This is
Very lightweight.
very lightweight. I just
One
need
drink.
one drink, and that's
It's
me.
over and out.
You understand? But anyway, I'm in safe hands. So Sarah gone somewhere. And again, remember to drop happy birthday for her, because her birthday is coming up. If you're a female or you're a guy that has a girlfriend that loves bikinis or whatever, support her. Drop some sales on her page. That's NotsJA. And that could be a great birthday present. I mean, what it do?
And the swimsuits are.
Yeah, Jilly got a swimsuit from
Yeah.
Sarah, so it's cool. My cousin even the other day purchased 2 short sets, so that's a vibe. Anyhow, you know what I like about being at a, I think it's a hotel or a look kind of boutique kind of whatever.
It's a boutique hotel, yeah.
It's a boutique hotel. What I like about it is that you can go, oh, there she going on her pieces. Anyway, so what I like about those is like you can just tell them to leave it on, you know, whatever you have, they put on your tab. But I hate when we're leaving and you see the big bill and you're like, bruh.
As so much things you drink.
No.
As so much eat. As so much you drink.
Vibes. And then here comes Sarah in one of the pieces, like I said.
Alright, spin,
So-
Sarah, spin.
I literally saw when she was working on that one. So like I said, jump over to Nats JA, and as her birthday present, buy 2 pieces, buy 1, buy 3. I mean, that's up to you. All right, guys. So we are at the bar area. I know Natica bar and thing. Whatever they gave us in the margaritas is really good, but we're gonna get some rum punches this time around and try something different. And then we are gonna head down to the pool. Well, no, to the beach. That's why we have the beach towels, of course. And then after that, we'll go to the pool as well. So just waiting on our drinks really quick. Yeah, right now, not many people are here, and I kind of respect that as well. So it's calm and chill. Yeah, you do see a couple couples in the morning for breakfast, but apart from that, it kind of feels like the property is all here to yourself, which is in itself a vibe. So yeah, we're just waiting on some drinks. Fun fact, there's a lot of stuff I don't mention during the vlogs, and they're just like underlined stories. I'm videoing that part and you see Sarah dancing, and it makes me happy. You might be wondering, like, why does it make you happy someone's dancing? Of course, happy dancing is great. But when I first, the very first video that I did with Sarah, she had a broken ankle. She was in a cast and everything, but she wanted to be on the adventures, yo. And I was just like, yo, I respect that. And we struggled on the beach. So you guys watch the video sometimes, you didn't even know the struggles that happen. And like, I had to make sure that the angles were, you know, they were good angles, so a person didn't ask, you know, questions about the broken leg or whatever. And in her character, I was just like, yo, you know, that's a really cool person to vibe with, because she was out there with me. And you know, yeah, I remember there are parts in the videos where you see comments and people would say like, yo, show her whole body. I was just like, y'all even know why I couldn't. But she good now. So when you see Sarah in the videos or whatever, and you see how we rock and how we're close on certain parts of it, like, yeah, this is one of the reasons. Like, she's been really real. And the persons that support her business and that's JA thing, like, I respect y'all so much for doing that. Because again, you know, there's times when you're working for a company, and then, like, you know, that's not your passion. And I know she's chasing this passion of, you know, making design. So every piece that she makes for you guys is, yeah, there's a lot of soul in it. Anyway, that's all I gotta say. Ooh, the best part. What is this, a rum punch?
Yes, this is the rum punch.
Is this like a hit here? People love it?
Yeah, people love it. Where are you from?
From Jamaica, come on.
From Jamaica? Oh.
Yeah. Not because you see me that camera means say, hey, you see me? Oh, no, I'm not recording you. Just to, you know, just your hand movements.
Okay. Where are the ladies?
They are coming. Hold on. Alright, so we have our drinks and we are heading to the beach. It's like a private beach, I believe. But y'all know in Portland, really nice beaches, but they're usually very rough with the waves and things. So let's go check that out right now. Yo, do you guys hear the ocean? It's so calming. It's like you can feel the atmosphere actually change. Feel that wind. Or maybe it's just the drinks. Maybe it's the drinks. What do you think?
I was trying to figure it out.
Maybe.
Ocean, alcohol.
Yeah.
Ocean, 10. Alcohol, 20.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
It's a different atmosphere.
You feel it?
I'm actually happy the sun is out today.
Today, yeah. Yesterday was really gloomy.
It's nice.
Alright, so like I said, in terms of Portland, dangerous currents, like out here, in Portland you have like the highest waves, I believe, in Jamaica, so you find some of like the surfers, they tend to come out here. So dangerous currents when seas is rough and tide is high. Close at 7 p.m. Oh yeah. Alright. Decent sand. Pretty decent sand, no complaints. And it's just like your own little private beach area when you come here, and I really respect that. Really respect that. I've got a couple folks already down here, so it's a vibe, man. Wow, it's really nice out here. Really nice day.
Boyfriend vex, I'm like vex because I got saved in a drone. Alright guys.
You are not going to jump.
I want to jump. I really want to jump. Like, let's see if it doesn't want me to jump.
No, the tide looks really low. Can we like swim out there first and check like the heights?
Alright, we'll swim out there first, but the guy's right here.
Make him jump
Sir,
first.
can you jump first? Jump first and then I'll jump behind you. You know what? Jump first, man. I never go jump. You can catch me.
I want some cold.
Alright, may I jump? Me and you ever jump together?
This looks really low, like as in the tide itself, the depth of the water. Anyway, let's go, Sarah.
Yes.
So of course, Jillian is the wild one of the group. That's very clear. So we're gonna swim out first to see like how deep this water is, because I don't think it's high enough to do such a high jump. That jump is about like maybe like 35, 40 feet. The jump?
No, it's not that high.
You think so?
It's about 20 feet.
20 feet? All right, it's time to head into this. Ooh, it's not that cold, but still, bruh.
You know, the pool that went that was cold.
Yeah.
I think I want to jump here. Make him go.
Yeah, I don't want you to jump off that. Like, you have to check it first.
I'm not gonna come here and I'll jump. I'm going to read and you read in no time.
Hold on, Sarah. Yeah, there's some rocks at the exit point, but
Yeah, it's not. I thought it would have been like the way down here.
Yeah. My God, it must be.
Hey, Jamaicans can't hold it. Especially when they know.
yeah, there's a lot of rocks out here. Very rocky. That's what I'm saying. Like already, this feel low.
We are right here.
And we still even reach our chest yet. So that's a jumping point. And let me just mention this to you guys. Like honestly, whenever you're on your trips and you see these cliff places to jump, jumping is not like, it's not just a 1-2. You gotta be prepared. You understand? Because if you don't have enough feet to actually drop into the water, you can hurt yourself. So, and this even involves pools, because I've heard of persons breaking their neck in the pool too. But I think it's deep, but it's not deep. Oh, I stepped on something very sharp.
Sure, swimmers are the ones that drown.
Yep, because they're too brave. No, Sir Gillian, this not reaching nowhere.
No, I feel the man wants to
Close to deep.
The man said,
Wait. Hello.
oh God.
Okay. Let me tell you, the tide is strong. Like I felt it pulling me back out there.
Yes. Alright,
we can try.
Let me see if I can get a shot. This way?
Definitely forward, yeah.
Or this way?
Yep.
Can you see me? What's your This guy is absolutely beautiful. Just wow. Boy, it's a good thing that I'm the type of person who listens. Oh, God. Because I think I just broke my neck. Because I know it's sorrow. Yes. I'm not stubborn.
It's not high enough.
And I listen now. It's very shallow. Like I'm 5'7". I'm actually standing.
Wait. It's not pointed to you, you know.
I know.
Okay. I just was trying to make sure.
I know it's not.
That's so short. But
I'm like 5'7". Yeah, like and I'm actually, it's like to my under my arms.
Yep.
So that means that if I was to ever jump, that wouldn't be a good idea. So anytime you guys go anywhere, always check out the deck before you're gonna jump. Because I'm that kind of person. I'm big on adventure, and maybe
I'm the party pooper.
yeah, he's a party pooper. He's like,
I want to make sure everyone is safe. That's my prime prerogative.
before you jump,
Let's go check it.
Let's go check it. I'm like, okay.
Big wave.
I don't think that's what the surfboard is made for, you know.
That's what it is.
Yeah, surfer.
Big wave.
No.
Balance.
Yeah. Put your hand Oh my God.
Can't be on it, okay? Give me a hand, It might hold the board. Hold on, just try it. So how you do that?
Yeah, we can balance.
No balance. You know how to balance on it. Not this. Alright guys, so this is a stranger that was just met. I didn't get his name.
Big wave.
Sarah, big wave, Sarah. Sarah, but I like it too cute, you know. I'm going to show you what you do first. So you're going to lie down.
Yeah. Teach us the way, Sarah.
Alright, you go, girl. Alright.
Your friend gone! Your friend gone!
Come back.
It ain't too much for the front. Hey, come back somewhere.
You're funny.
Come back somewhere?
You're funny. Sorry, so she's going to give us a tips and tricks of how to serve.
Alright, here we go now.
No, I think she's onto something though. That's what
That's what I want to do for you.
Move it.
So, Sarah.
Go Sarah. Go Sarah. Stand up now, Sarah. Stand up. And she's gone.
She's off with the gentleman.
Bored.
Surfboard. Yeah, it is, right?
It is, sure is.
It is.
Alright.
Go, Sarah, you have some fun.
To get to that party.
Let me try.
Yeah?
Let me try.
Alright, dude. I've been seeing you guys try this for a while, and you've been doing it the wrong way, right? Totally doing it the wrong way. Alright. So the first thing you do, you hop on the board, right?
Yeah?
And then you balance yourself the right way. Then you use your hands to paddle a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Then you paddle. Then you're gonna like go!
Wow. The master at work.
You know, I don't know what you guys will feel left.
No, you know what? At first you don't succeed, try and try again.
Try and try again.
Hop back on that board.
What's the thing? He's probably a little bit more experienced, you know?
Yeah, give us a
Give
little,
us a little introduction.
a little
to,
tour.
You know, using your surfboard.
It just took off? I don't know. Maybe.
Hmm?
It just took off?
No, it just went turned back to saving.
Oh.
Yeah.
But at least the basic.
How to stand. Cause I know you have to like pop up. It's like a quick pop up. Yeah, it's a quick jump up, yeah. It's a lot better than us. But like I said, Portland is where like a lot of people who aspire to surf, can surf, surf, you get the idea.
Alright. So jumping up, match good back.
Okay.
Go.
Yeah, more balance.
Alright. So now, you do a hand movement. Ready? Oh, you're going to push me.
That's not JA for you. Let's try it again for Jilly.
Every fail. Oh my god.
Let's go. Balance, find your balance. There you go. Alright, you balance.
No. And then what?
Did you not look balanced? You
Oh,
look
God,
balanced.
he's very imbalanced.
Come over some more, Taylor. No, here. Go back over here, right?
So,
Come
right?
down some more. You're too far up.
This is ridiculous.
Come down some more.
Down.
Alright. Okay.
Alright. Can push me?
One.
Alright.
2, 3.
Pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up, Jill.
No, you have to turn the other way. If you're coming to the right, yeah, turn on the left. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Alright, stretch ahead now. We're gonna get it back in board in like 2 minutes.
Wait, no.
Hey, thank you.
Appreciate it, man.
We belong to you.
I think you guys just need to know this. Jill can't sing. Last night was the best harmony you guys had.
We did something bad though.
Yeah, you guys sounded good.
Cause we're living in a world of dreams. I really need to know. Cause we're living in a world of fools. But breaking us down. When the ocean let us be. We belong to you and you.
That's what the subscribers want to say. Like, Jill, stop.
Them want it. Them in the heel and straight. Dip them deep, but not too deep. Dip them secure, but feel it. Recording live. Guys, you know when you want to cuss but you can't cuss? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, honestly, the only thing I would say that I don't like about this beach is it's unpredictable. Like, I don't know what's underneath. But I mean, I know what's underneath. But yeah, I don't know if you have some aquatic creatures just running around on my fucking foot. Not so. Honest to God. Alright, I feel like my escape it now. Welcome back, guys. That was a little tantrum, don't mind me. Okay. But on a real though, it's the eve of my birthday. We're out here, big wave, big wave, big wave. Woo! We're out here just, you know, enjoying this water. And yeah, Portland is a vibe. Where we're staying definitely love, you know, a whole rustic. It's nice to go to luxurious hotels and all that stuff, so you get all inclusive. But after a while, it gets boring. You just have to point out the hotel itself and yeah, there's really nothing much to it after that. Here, you're really and truly one with nature. You know, you're getting a good and excellent supply of oxygen, and you just get to tour the place. You get to sightsee different areas, and this hotel in specific, or this resort in specific, they have a lot to it. Like on the outside you seem like it's a very small resort, but trust me, there's a lot that it has to offer. And I'm just happy that I'm able to come, spend it with great friends, just enjoy the eve and, you know, the day of my birthday. So yeah, don't mind my hair, guys, you know, very cute all the way. Wait, don't want to be. Okay, but I had everything keeping my bun up. I know, because girl want to have fun too. You can't really care about yourself sometimes, you know. Yeah, you look cute and you'll always look cute. Right, ladies? Yes, you'll always look cute. So, let's go underwater. Give which one or which girl? Him say one of the girls then. Too bad for him. But let me take you underwater with me, guys. Okay. Bye.
They say that men were not meant to fly, but then came the airplane, the helicopter, and spaceships. For us creators, the drone. Now, owning a drone has been a very scary thing because it is a leap of faith. It's like jumping off of a cliff. You hope when you jump that you will re-emerge and that you will jump again and again and again. Now, this was the last time I was able to fly my drone, but I'm happy that I was able to emerge again and again and again, but sometimes we make missteps. So here are the last shots from the drone, and I hope you guys enjoy these, because for me it was fun being able to fly. Nice try, Jill. Nice try. Yeah, just crashed my drone. just crashed my drone to get a shot for you guys. It's kind of crazy, to be honest. Yo, it's a part. Honestly, it's a part of YouTube. You know, to get you guys like those really cool shots where things seem really close and epic or whatever, you're gonna crash a drone or two. This is my very first one I'm crashing. So yeah, it got submerged in the water for maybe like 40 seconds, I think. I was trying to go through something and then like boom. Yeah, so I am now without a drone at the moment. I haven't tried to turn it back on, but usually, yeah, water damage on them thing there. But yeah, it's all a part of YouTube. I'm glad that I'm being blessed to be able to have had a drone and, you know, hopefully get one in the future. So if you guys want to help me out with a drone, hit me up on my cash. But really and truly, honestly, I knew at one point in my life I'm going to break a drone. It's a give or take, isn't it? So I don't really feel bad about it, to be honest. I really don't feel bad about it. But I'm gonna try to acquire another one. My brethren has gotten the YouTube play button, so whenever he gets a chance to come down, then hopefully if I can rustle up some funds to get another one, I'll get another drone, which is gonna mean even better quality either way and more epic content. But anyway, I'm hungry, so we need to get some food. But on another note, it was a super perfect day. Like, Jilly got to jump, so that's a vibe. Sarah got to jump as well, and luckily the drone crashing saved me from jumping as well. So I have a reason to be like, everyone, I'm so sad.
I really wanted to jump, but you know. My drone.
You know. Anyway, so yeah, we are going to try to get something to eat because I am super hungry. Get it together, Jilly. The liquor alcohol can't do you so.
It's not the alcohol. When you mix your alcohol, that's when you have a problem.
It's not that deep. Come on, let's go. Come on, soldier. I was gonna worry about the broken drum, but I'm like, yeah, if you fall with it, it's okay.
I just feel like somewhere, like deep inside,
that it will work.
It will work.
You feel so?
Yeah.
I don't put it on the sun, but
I don't know.
I still think I need to upgrade.
The battery out, guys.
I didn't even take the battery out. It crashed and the battery fell out.
And it started to like fry, and I took it out.
Did you hear it frying?
Yeah.
Guys, funny story. I heard the battery going. I was like, Jilly, toss the battery. Jilly was like,
no,
I don't think so. Let me put it down right here.
Honestly, guys, I just feel like.
You know what the messed up part is? I actually, because the batteries for the original batteries were dead after so many years, and then like I bought these. I just paid like $100 for 2 batteries.
I just feel like if it dry, you dry it out in the sun.
I don't really care about the battery. I care about if the drone can work.
I just feel like it's gonna work.
But check it out, guys. This is my very first drone. I had written Soai vlogs on it because I thought one day we would like fly away and someone would just.
What these wings?
The propellers are broke, but I have extra props.
Oh,
it's no problem.
I just feel like it's gonna work again. I don't know. I have hope.
Anyway, guys, if you want to support me in a new drone, because I would like a new drone for better footage.
New drone for Soai vlogs. Hey.
Anyway, it was a vibe still. It was good knowing you, Droney. You're like a real YouTuber now.
I know.
Yo.
Maybe I'm a real YouTuber. People say, hey, you come for Soai vlogs.
Right? You are.
You come for Soai vlogs.
Oh boy. Funny.
You don't believe me.
Nah, I'm just recording my life. And if people like it, they like it.
Guys, I'm lick up my head, that's a lot.
This morning. Jilly,
I got up.
Be careful how you turn around, for some strange reason I think you will do it again.
I got up this morning to use the bathroom.
Vibes.
And I was hurrying back because I swear I heard like footsteps. Boom! I guess I like, you have to open that body. But my lick on my head, it's hot.
But there we go again. Bruh. Anyway. The worst type of hits to get is like when you are kind of sleepy and then boom. I don't know. I really want to put the other battery in it just to see.
No, you have to
make it dry. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna pop this onto the snake trail because there's some sun out there. I know it might seem like I'm nonchalant about the drone. It's something that I really love. I saved my own money up, paid for it and everything like that. But being a YouTuber, like you see all the other big YouTubers, they'll tell you already, like if you want to get good content, meaningful content, content that is impactful, you are going to break cameras. One of my favorite YouTubers, haven't watched him in a while, which is Casey Neistat. Dude, he's probably had like 10 cameras just broken, just on his shelving, you know? And that's what it is. So I'm gonna put it out in the sun. Hopefully I don't forget it and like rain falls on it. But I mean, either way, if it's done, it's done. So let's put it on the sun and I'll check back on it in a couple hours. The worst thing is that it's salt water damage. Freshwater damage is a little bit easier. Salt water damage is, yeah, not my first choice. All right, found a nice spot. It's about 4 o'clock right now. So sun will set soon. So maybe we'll get like an hour in some good sunlight. So I'm gonna put it right here. And if I do forget it, then rest in peace, drone. It was fun. Great little Soai Vlogs drone. I see you still trying to fly with the wind blowing, but bye. All right, the drone has been put down and stuff like that. You know, since I've been doing YouTube, people tell me like, you know, do like GoFund me's if I want to get stuff like a new camera or whatever. Everything that I've owned, I've paid for it myself. Yo, shout out to my patrons who do make their donations every single month. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys help to fuel this channel. But funny enough, people have been mentioning about doing a GoFundMe. This time I am gonna do one because I would love to have a new drone. Let's just be honest, I'd love to have a new drone. So I'm gonna try to do my very first GoFundMe. And I know some person gonna say like, oh my gosh, you're a YouTuber, why are you doing a GoFundMe? At the end of the day, like I know I'm creating content, like, and persons appreciate the content. So there's persons that want to help, you know, to acquire a new drone as ASAP, and I appreciate that. Otherwise, I might have to wait a bit. You see me? Because I have a bunch of other travels coming up that they are expensive. Persons don't quite understand how expensive it is to make these videos sometimes. I'll give you an example. The last camping trip that I did, spent maybe about $1,500 US, saving up to do that one. Reason being, getting the beds, getting the tents, shipping them down, paying the shipping fees and stuff like that. I mean, at the end of the day, I'll have them for quite a while. So when you think about it, it's not that expensive, but upfront costs, like we have to think about those stuff. But anyway, anybody want to hit me up, I'm going to do that GoFundMe. And if you want to do some supporting, I'd appreciate it.